Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking down the essential prerequisites so you can act immediately. Learn linear algebra, probability, and core statistics through targeted exercises. Practice Python daily using pandas and NumPy for data wrangling. Once comfortable, set up Git and a reproducible environment so you track progress. Make sure to run SQL queries against real datasets and create quick visual checks. Doing these first means you move from theory to hands-on skills fast and avoid analysis paralysis. You now build practical systems. Start feature engineering by cleaning missing values and creating informative signals. Document why each feature matters. Then iterate models, try logistic regression, trees, and clustering, using cross-validation to compare metrics. Once you have a candidate, productionize it in a pipeline with scikit-learn or a workflow tool and log experiments with MLflow. Make sure to version datasets and notebooks so experiments are reproducible. This prevents wasted effort when tuning hyperparameters. You finish by deploying and maintaining models. Package the model in a Dockerized API, set monitoring for latency and quality, and define performance SLOs. Validate in production with /b tests and monitor for drift so you can retrain before accuracy slips. If things go wrong, run quick schema and data integrity checks first. Use unit tests and canary rollouts to limit impact. One key troubleshooting tip: when metrics degrade, compare current feature distributions to training distributions to find root causes quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.